Welcome back to Learning with the Difference speech on the topic Hope for School Morning Assembly. Sometimes we feel helpless, sad, stressed, and we need help to see things in a different way. We wish there would be a magic to change our lives. And what help us? Hope. There is sport out there to help us find the strength to believe that hope is a possibility and it can help us change the way we live. A very hearty morning to each and everyone present here. This is Minakshi from class 8. Someone beautifully said that learn from stars. Even in the dark, they give off light, not despair. Today, I got an opportunity to speak on a valuable topic hope. Hope is an incredible strength and protective factor in our life. And whether we think about it or not, hope is a part of everyone's life. Everyone hopes for something. And this is true that to have hope is like a desire for something to happen, to want an outcome that makes our life better in some way. Dr. Neil Burton, a book author who writes about emotions, writes that he always asks patients for what they hope for. Because if they say nothing, then that is a sign of depression or worse. So, hope is a wish for things to change for the better. And it is very important for us to have hope in our lives. It is important for us to look positivity into our future. It contributes to our well being, happiness, and motivates positive actions. But, dear friends, I would say that we should make sure we hope for the right things and choose our battles wisely. Fight for what's worth it, then surely our life will get better. And I would end with few lines. Stay positive and happy. Work hard and don't give up hope. Be open to criticism and keep learning. Surround yourself with happy, warm, and genuine people. And here I end. Thank you to all of you.